Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play video on your Cadillac Escalade. First, it's important to understand your vehicle's specific infotainment system. Most models support video playback through USB or HDMI inputs. You'll want to check your owner's manual for exact specifications. Knowing your system's capabilities ensures a smooth experience. This initial step helps you prepare your media correctly for seamless enjoyment on the go. We'll cover preparing your files next. Now, let's prepare your video files. For USB drives, ensure it's formatted to FAT32 or XFAT for best compatibility with your Escalade system. Most vehicles prefer common video formats such as MFIR or AVI. You might need to convert your videos using a simple software tool. Also, consider the video resolution. A resolution of 720 pixels or 1080 pixels usually works well for the vehicle's screens, providing clear visuals. With your media prepared, it's time to connect. Locate an available USB port in your Escalade, often found in the center console or dashboard, and insert your drive. Once connected, navigate to the infotainment screen. You'll typically find a media or source button. Select the USB input option from the list. The system will then scan your drive, displaying a list of your video files, ready for you to choose from. Finally, let's play your video. From the list of files on your screen, simply tap on the video you wish to watch. The video should begin playing almost immediately. You can use the on-screen controls to play, pause, fast forward, or rewind. Don't forget to adjust the audio volume and display brightness to your preference for the best viewing experience. Enjoy your favorite content right from your Escalade's comfortable interior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.